What's up, everybody, and welcome back. Today I am checking out SB19. This is the Pog to Tag, the documentary. So this is gonna be really cool. I'm gonna check this out. I'm so excited for it. SB19 is such an amazing group. They do such an amazing things. They put their heart and their soul into everything. If you are watching this and you have not experienced or seen SB19, go check out our reactions to them. Go check out their YouTube channel. Their videos, their live performances are just amazing. I have not had the chance to see them live. I really want to see them live. I would love to see them live. I think that would be the full experience of SB19, but I am not able to do that at this time. So I would, once I get a chance, when I get a chance to do it, I will definitely be doing it. But I'm gonna check out this documentary. I'm so excited for it. I want to see everything they have to give us and everything they have to offer because they are such an amazing group. Been checking them out since they started, and they have evolved so much and they have grown so much. It is amazing to see where they started, all the changes they went to see where they are now. It is just awesome, and I am so happy for them, and to see them be where they are now is just amazing. It really is. I love these guys. This group is amazing. SB19 is just on top of the world. They really have, and they touch so many people in so many ways. It's awesome. So like I said, if you haven't seen them before, go check them out. But I'm gonna hop into this. You guys let me know what you think in the comments below. Let's do it. This is an awesome way to start it off. This is really cool. It's kind of like gets you hyped up and ready for it. The crowd is going insane.
Get in the zone, Brett! I'll be up, SB19!
The Filipino band made their debut on American television right here on the Good Day stage last year, and now they're here to perform their big hit.
Gento, 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 dito basta bindo. Di mo makumpleto parang bento. Gento, ano kaya mo? Sino kayang bubunan makakita lang ng ginto? Ginto kahit na
Eto na nga, nakigento na rin si Korean super idol Minzy.
Talagang humakayabag pa rin yung gento, nagtitrend. Ano ngayon ba? Trending pa rin?
It went everywhere.
SB19, congratulations for 700 million streams.
Yaman tayo!
TikTok views and 3 million TikTok creations.
This point here 4 years in, doesn't it get boring?
Maraming action masyado nangyayari sa buhay natin para maging boring.
That's crazy. These guys are awesome.
Tahimik. Tahimik ang SB19. Talagang tinatiming ba na mangyari yung mga ganong bagay? Ano yun?
Huwag silang patayan ng mic na hindi sinasabi sa kanila, ha?
Ang hirap na magpo-perform na sila, tapos may iniisip pa silang ganun.
Kahit anong balanse talaga, it's our loss eh.
Laking problema. Bakit ganun yung nangyayari? Mapapatanong ka na lang, bakit ganun yung nangyayari? Akala mo, okay.
Tigil na ba lahat? Ganun?
What happened there? I did not know about that. I had no clue that happened.
The most highly anticipated comeback of the multi-awarded K-pop group, whose latest single, Gento, has already amassed over 3 million streams on Spotify, debuting at number 8 on the Billboard World Digital Charts. And their music video has garnered over 5 million views on YouTube, all ahead of their EP release, Pag to Tag, that just dropped today. And we have Pablo, Josh, Down, Ken, and Justin of SB19.
Kahit kami, nagulat kami sa kung paano tinanggap ng tao yung Gento. So kami parang, imbis na yung plano namin, eto, nag-isip kami ng new plans namin para mas matodo pa namin at mas ma-promote palalo si Gento. Na dahil kumalat siya globally, dapat yung approach namin pang-global din talaga. Noong una, medyo sarado yung utak ko pagdating sa music na parang dapat pag language ganito language. Pero ang music talaga, kahit anong language, mararamdaman mo yung sinasabi. Kahit nga...
Latara-tara.
Oo, kahit latara-tara, di ba? Parang talagang wala siyang boundary pagdating sa pag-touch ng feelings ng mga tao. Parang nung napakinggan ko yung Gento, sabi ko, okay, maganda tong title track. Tapos nung narinig ko yung Cream Zone, sabi ko, lakas nito. Ito na kaya gawing title track. Tapos tinanong nila ako, bakit? Ba't yan gusto mo gawing title track? Ang sagot ko, kasi English. Parang maintindihan ng kahit sino.
Ayun, yun pala isa.
Nagsa-start kasi si SB19 na dapat makilala kami globally. So dapat English song yung i-release namin. Tapos napapaisip ako, paano kaya kung Cream Zone talaga yung nirelease namin, hindi Gento, no? Ano kaya nangyari sa Gento? Same kaya nung nangyari ngayon kung hindi namin siya nirelease, parang ganun. So, wala talaga sa language or anything, wala talaga.
Yung talagang inaalagaan namin na plan from the very beginning ng EP, lumaki na siya. Tapos mas na-establish na siya.
Sumabog.
Yun. Sumabog. Naging gold talaga na solid.
Yung from our story, from pagsipol, kung paano kami mag-grow, this time sa pagtatag, eto kami. Ganito si SB19. Ito si SB19.
Matindi po yung pinag-aano namin, yung hard work namin, blood, sweat, and tears, para makarating sa ganito kalayong lugar.
Kami po yung people group na
Yeah, I can't imagine how much they put into this. I mean, these guys work so hard for what they do. They are always working. And I tell you what, they put, like I said, they put their heart and soul into everything. When they perform, I mean, they give you all of them every time. They don't shortcut nothing. They don't, hold back anything. They are there 100% every time. And that's what's awesome about this group.
Transition from artist to self-managed.
How does it feel that you're self-managed?
Sobrang saya.
Oo. May challenges, mahirap, pero parang mas fulfilling siya kapag, alam mo yun, pag may ginagawa kayo, mas fulfilling siya.
Tsaka syempre yung sisihan sa amin na lang.
We value our craft so much. Super sensitive yung buong group kasi gano'n namin talaga tinitingnan yung craft namin na sacred ito. And now that we have the full control, the full capacity, or even the manpower na yung mga taong tumutulong din sa amin, I think we can freely express at mas ma-maximize pa kung ano yung ginagawa namin before. And maybe this would really help to syempre push boundaries.
Gusto namin na ma-inspire yung iba pang tao and syempre yung mga taong nagsasurround us na talagang pagpursigihan yung mga ginagawa nila sa buhay para naman makakreate kami ng something na maganda talaga at makikita talaga yung resulta na sa buong mundo yun.
We're very excited to see more 18 around the globe as we're going to have a bigger tour this year.
We're doing a lot of preparations and rehearsals, so you can expect a better SB19 Pagtatag World Tour.
See you soon!
Ready band, ready music, ready lifter, ready SB.
Check po muna, SB, Sir Richard. Quiet lang po muna, band. Thank you. Stand up.
Check, 1, 2, yeah. Check.
Ay, Kuya Leo. Yung sa akin po, si Stel po ito, pahinaan po ng boses ni Pablo and Josh po sa akin ng konti. Ikaw nga dyan, sige nga.
Check.
Man, listen to Justin. He sounds so good.
Okay po yung volume, SB.
Magtingin na ba po? Or better pa mute?
I think I will not talk.
Nung nilatag nila sa akin yung Pagtatag EP, sabi ko, sige, bigay niyo sa akin yung lahat ng demos. Bigay niyo sa akin yung studies. Papakinggan ko. Nagpasok ako ng mga gusto ko, so gusto ko kasi nang nagma-mash up eh.
Gusto niyo ba unahin lang yung mash up para alam niyo kung ano yung aayusin? Tapos ihuli natin si Gento.
Unahin natin yung mash up, importante.
Such a bully!
So sabi ko, bakit hindi natin itry mag-mash up? Kasi kaya nyo naman, strong singers kayo eh. Dapat ipakita natin dun sa show na kayo ay strong singers.
Parang yung music po na, parang malakas yung reverb, parang may reverb siya. Oo. Tapos doble yung natidinig namin tunog. Parang pumapasok. Parang echo. Pwede naman huwag natin ipa-play yung band sa tenga na.
Hindi, maganda rin eh. Maganda kasi madadala ka sa akin. Kaya lang, i-balance lang.
Yung last na pinatugtog ko, nadidinig mo more si mga palit.
Oh, hindi, pero hindi ko masabing kasi pag kumakanta sila, di ba? Parang live lang, parang gano'n yung feel ko. Yung 70 yung backing.
Dapat madidinig mo yung backing.
Dapat dinig ko yung backing. Pero di ko naririnig kasi kahit kumakanta, lamon na ng boses.
3 years ko na rin sila nakaka-work, kaya kahit paano yung inputs nila, yung mga gusto nila, na ipapasok ko kaagad bago ako mag-present. And then, pag nagko-comment sila na, ate, pwede po bang ganito? Palagi yan eh, ate, pwede po ba tayo mag-try ng lifter? Kunwari lang, lifter. Oo naman, sige, sige. Tapos, isi-stage na namin, iniisip na namin. Nung binubuo yung programming, nag-consult ako sa kanila, present ko sa kanila, ano ba yung gusto nyo? Narrative-based ba to?
It's cool
o
to watch
concert
everything
time
come
na
together.
per segment, vignettes lang. Very theatrical yung approach kasi nga, gusto namin ng ganon. Si SB gusto rin mag-explore ng ganon. May ballad suite, dance suite, solo suite, and then the fan service. Hindi pwedeng mawala yung fan service. Lagi sa akin sinasabi ng SB19 na, basta po ate, meron tayong mabibigay din sa fans. Choreo, Kuya Jay. Palagi ko talagang kasama si Coach Jay pag nagre-rehearse. Kasi staging-wise, nagko-consult din siya sa akin. Tapos ako, nagbibigay ako ng input, Kuya, parang maganda na ganito papasok.
Parang sa Gento kasi, parang anong hand gestures na ganito. Parang ito, Gento. So, ayun. So, ito, nakatutok ako dito. Paano siya magiging sayaw? Bingo. Yung bingo kasi, di ba sa probinsya yung mga bingo, sinishake-shake yan eh. So, yun, kaya siya ganito. Tapos, bento. Anong maisip mo? Bento, ganun yun eh. Pag kinawakan mo yung bento, so yun siya. Bento. Bento. So, ganun lang. Laging sinasabi ni Pablo, Kuya Jay, ito bang steps natin is matatandaan ng mga tao? Doon ako na-challenge eh. Kailangan talaga pag-isipan eh. So, kung paano din nila ginawa ng sinulat yung kanta, paano nila pinag-isipan, dapat ganun din sa sayaw.
Hindi siya maku-wide na,
That's awesome how you put it all together.
Parang gano'n.
Gets. Kumbaga tunnel na parang...
Tunnel siya na babalik siya sa bahay. Ingay!
Parang funny lang na sa...
May nasa baba, may nasa dining, parang gano'n.
Ay, nakaupo sa sofa! Hinto mo.
Hinto, kahit na wala pang hinto. 100% bawal bitaw ko. Mismo, eto kaya mo. Basta makakakita ng dito.
Maraming tao na gumagamit
That dance goes so hard, it really does.
Music na to na para naman talagang ma-convey niya or may paramdam sa tao kung ano yung meaning ng song. So, musically and sonically for this EP, parang ang masasabi ko lang, bukod sa may freedom kami, talagang sigurado kami sa nilabas namin.
Nung nag-start kami mag-collate ng mga ideas pagdating sa pagbuo ng album, isa sa mga pinag-usapan namin kung anong genres yung mga gusto namin itakel. May nagbigay sa amin, yun nga, si Sir August Rigo ng kanta. And masasabi ko na it's just very appealing pero sobrang hirap din na i-perform. Kasi for me, mas sanay ako sa mga mas buga-buga kaysa kokontrolin mo yung boses mo na kailangan very sultry lang, very R&B.
Noong una ko siyang narinig, sa totoo lang, sabi ko, bagay ba ito sa amin? Parang ganun agad. Iniisip ko kung pag pinerform ba namin, mafe-feel ba namin yun performing as a group. Tapos nang narinig ko yung, yung audio recorded ng boses namin, kinilig ako talaga.
Yeah. They can sing anything.
First time namin ng group ko, SB19, na gumawa ng ganitong approach. We were very excited na ipakita sa mga fans ng supporters namin itong ganitong klaseng style.
Mas artistic yung approach dito sa music video na to. Very simple lang, pero iba yung atake kasi nga the way paano in-execute yung mga clips together, paano siya kinonect dun sa music itself. Parang hinahagod sa'yo yung music video.
At first, inisip ko baka maging awkward siya for us kasi it's our first time to try this kind of music video na walang anything na pinapakitang dance or singing.
But looking at it now, talagang na-feel ko na parang andali lang pala. Parang kailangan mo lang talagang mag-enjoy din.
Alam namin na maraming supporters. So, we make sure na lahat ng ilalabas namin, katanggap-tanggap ng lahat ng listeners namin. So, yun yung isa sa mga naging motivation ko sa pag medyo alter nung lyrics ng kanta. Pero, syempre, nandun pa rin yung essence, nandun pa rin yung intimacy.
Mas maganda yung pinupush namin yung boundaries kaysa nag-stay kami sa comfort zone namin. Masabi nga namin, SB19 is gonna be bolder, unbudging. So, ito na yun. Ito na yung output nun.
Sa tingin ko, ayun, explosion. Charot, magkakagulo. It will be a chaos. Kumbaga, parang ganun.
Siguro yung ano yun, yung perform ko na I Want You. Pinig ko yun sa mga favorite.
They did an amazing job with that song. The video was awesome.
Yung feeling, alam mo yun, may times na, ano na, yung pinaka-sexy moment ngayon, may flooring na, tilihan na lahat, talagang ano eh, ano ka ano eh. Okay. Ganito pa rin gusto niya, parang gano'n.
All right, we'll go ahead and stop it right there for today. But I tell you what, that was amazing. That was really cool. Obviously something goes wrong somewhere. It looks like when they shut their mics off or something. I guess we're gonna get into that later, but I didn't know that happened. So I want to see what happens there when we get into that. But this is really cool. They're gonna go through the, you know, the whole, you know, structure and how everything came to and how it was created and how they came up with everything, which seems really cool. The choreographer, how he came up with the Gento dance was amazing. That is such an amazing song. It goes so hard. The dance craze was just crazy. Everybody's all over TikTok with that, and it was nuts. But I tell you what, SB19 is worldwide. They are amazing. They are such an amazing, skilled, and, you know, wholesome group. They really are. They really just want to, you know, do their thing and be the best they can be at it and give everything they can to their fans when they're there performing, when they're there making a video, when they're there writing a song. That's what's cool about these guys, is they have that passion, they have that heart, and they have that soul in all their music, and they just want to, you know, make sure they give it all their fans every time. That's why I love these guys. Like I said, you know, been checking them out since they started, and seeing them all the way here has just been an awesome journey to watch them on and see where they are now. I can't imagine where they're going to be 5 years from now, 10 years from now. I can't wait to see where they are. I think it's going to be really cool, and all the music and everything they create on the way is going to be awesome. But you guys let me know what you think in the comments below, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.